Why does Ally know so much about cars? Because we know how important they are to your life. We know you have jobs to get to, recitals to watch, and vacations to take, and that the average person owns their vehicle for roughly 7 years and may put over 100,000 miles on it. We know when your car breaks down, it's never a good time. Fortunately, we know how to help. Ally Premier Protection covers new and used cars, trucks, SUVs, and even hybrids. It extends your coverage after the manufacturer's warranty expires. You can take it to your dealership or any licensed repair facility in the US and Canada for repairs. We know cars, so we know how to give you more with perks like 24/7 roadside assistance, trip interruption protection, and alternate transportation. We know cars, so we have a team of specialists who work directly with repair facilities to handle your claims, covering over 7,500 components, including high-tech features like audio and navigation that can be expensive to repair. We know you might be wondering, is this for real? Yes, we've been helping drivers for over 40 years, and we know how to make coverage affordable, with 0% financing available. Because when it comes to getting your car fixed, we know the last thing you need is a hassle. To know all about Ally Premier Protection, speak with your dealer.